How to fix no sound on Instagram video. So if you want to fix no sound on your Instagram video, then what you need to do is first tap and hold on to your Instagram application and then go with the app info. Once you're in your app info, you need to go with the bottom right, which has clear data option, and then go with clear cache. Tap on OK, and once you've cleared your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then go with your app permissions, and under app permissions, make sure that you've selected camera, microphone, notifications, photos and videos, phone, in order to fix your no sound problem. Once you allow these permissions, now you can go back and check if you have any updates. You can open up your Play Store, go with search, and under Play Store, you need to search for Instagram. Once you've searched, now if you have any updates, you need to go and update your Instagram application. After updating, your problem might be fixed. The next thing you need to check is the sound. So open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down and then go with sounds and vibration and make sure all of the sound here is turned on. And in this way, you'll be able to fix no sound on Instagram video. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.